Let's slow it down and stop and see what's actually in there. We've got raw eggs.
Where's the raw eggs? Oh, yes.
There it is.
Duct tape.
Jelly. Doesn't really sound that different. A piece of his CD.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce. And a piece of duct tape. But that has like soap in it as well.
Really?
That's the duct tape. You can't get through the duct tape, so.
Oh. I shall move these.